And after a week of protest in New York, there is growing concern about another surge of coronavirus cases. Governor Cuomo says the state is expanding COVID-19 testing criteria to include anyone who attends a protest. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez has more now on the risk in today's Max Minute.
We are more than 3 months into the pandemic and are finally seeing a steady downward trend in COVID-19 cases. Stay-at-home orders, social distancing, and mask wearing bent the curve. But now the protests across the nation portend a second wave of COVID-19 infections well before the predicted second wave during cold and flu season in the late fall. I spoke with representatives of the 4 largest hospital systems in the tri-state area to gauge their concern and preparedness. There is a strong consensus and great concern that these protests may very well lead to a spike in COVID-19 cases over the next couple of weeks. There was little social distancing or mask wearing. A new study in The Lancet found that without a mask, the risk of transmitting COVID is more than 17%. With a mask, it drops to 3%. Plus, yelling, screaming, and running means people expel many more respiratory droplets that could carry coronavirus from an infected individual. As for preparedness, all of the hospital systems tell me that they have fully restocked their supplies of personal protective equipment, especially masks for both workers and anyone coming into the hospital. Ventilators have also been prepped and returned to service, and doctors have developed treatments to keep patients off ventilators, so there should be enough for a spike in cases. All the hospitals strongly emphasize that they are returning to normal activities. COVID units are completely separate. Cancer care and elective surgeries are steadily resuming. The message is, if you need care, it's safe to go to the hospital. Dr. Max Gomez, CBS 2 News.
If you have questions for Dr. Max, or you would like to hear his answers to some of the more common coronavirus questions, log on to our website, cbsnewyork.com/max.